Bwe serikali chegenka Eugene Wamalwa ngati yabarayibikira na samagacha ATC meyomo cyobosongoli tokolya rero asokorotota umurobelyo bogo chikoigole factory ya matoke asorgongo rwa Gusii umurikeito mirdede mumanyi nigekira na sense meyono gotwaliganiryo roboti rokubwatia
Oboremi nabwo esiro asogokinia uchumi ya Kenya abo ase county ya Kisii nero etatigiri magega Asensemo ya ATC nigo ogochakiwa kwe factory ya matoke ya igorwa eliogochia gochaka gokora emeremo iboikeranu abo ase omugavana James Ongwae omwaziri w'oboremi Esman Onsaligo nabageni ao baikirana asensemeyo na kwaenakia okoigoro oku
iga tuaja koigoro banana processing plant esaba antomorenka processing plant ya banana ne okobeka okorosia amatoka ito ayako gene Nairobi toko egurigo lirike eliegere agoruga iganka facility echi machine kyonspi ntwachi test rero ochigo colleagues kyonspi.
Therefore, on behalf of the entire department and on behalf of the farmers, we say thank you, Your Excellency Governor, for the good support you gave us. Now we have a banana Kisii farmers banana cooperative, which will be dealing directly with the investor of who will be operating this factory.
Omwaziri w'oborendi Eugene Wamalwa natogia abagusi asomo kyobo ase sekta y'oboremi na koirera emerobelyo emiya ase county ya Kisii.
Kila county imebarikiwa kwa njia tofauti. Hapa umebarikiwa mna mvua ya kutosha na udongo wa rotuba sana. Hapa ndio nchi ya matoke. I don't think there's anywhere else in Kenya inashinda Kisii. Na tuliangalia sana tukasema ni nini tunaweza fanya hapa Kisii. Na hii factory ikiwa hapa, ile matoke yenu ilikuwa inaenda Nairobi, would be creating employment kule Nairobi. Lakini sasa vile tunafungua hii factory hapa, hiyo employment itakuwa created hapa kwa vijana wenu hapa wa Kisii na utajiri uje hapa kwetu.
On these projects today, we are convinced that it will not only put a smile on the faces of banana farmers, but also translate to increased incomes for households.
Ongwae nigo airari bagayerio kubatogia aborokiwa bakorete buya ase amatemwayo asogete igoron ase aborokiwa abagusi bakorete buya mono.
Igo kwa mugusi mwenzi saika congratulations. Wetwaro mwana mugusi omumura oba number 1 korugusi Kenya ngima no mwana nyaroka oba number 1 korugusi Kenya ngima njebona nabatebi na matoka ya tubakoria Gusii
Ko reporter ya Egata Seni Ndizi TV eleteriane Mildred Momanyi.